This is a Mobilo truck that carries Tonka wheels. Carries Tonka wheels because it takes them to a factory to make Tonka machines that work at lines. And so now I'll show you how it works. So it's got steering link, it's got opening doors. They have these bits for curtains for the sleeping box. And now I'll move on. And there's just some fuel tanks, engine, sleeping box. And so now I'll move on to the trailer. And this is how the trailer works. So when you get to the factory, you unfold that. Then you push it down onto the ground, push that stand on, then unclip this, and then this goes weight somewhere else, and then this looks like this. So the clips unfold like a person, and this rolls down. This put down there. The other one rolls down like that. Break that other way. And the truck comes back. Clips this down. And up it goes. And so now I'll move on to the last step of the way. So now, this is how it works if this bit won't work. You roll it up on that, and this can roll on. And you can do the same with another one. And now, last of all, this will allow you to go back down. And it's just got big Tonka wheels on it because it works round in the line.